What's up guys? So as some of you know, I'm volunteering on board YWAM PNG. It's a charity medical ship serving in Papua New Guinea. Part of my job is to train crew and officers up to speed with the ship's operations. And while I've decided to make some project videos, I always try to keep things humorous and interesting, adding entertainment value while teaching. Some topics may be more interesting, like doing our own surveys for depth soundings where we go into an uncharted territory. But well, the first one is garbage. Let's talk about garbage compacting. First, we gotta wear personal protective equipment, PPE.
Aaron, you ready to do some waste? Ah, shut up! Oh, me foot! Ah!
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
We don't want that happening, so the three minimum gear that we'll need are covered shoes, gloves, and safety goggles. Common sense is important here to think about the possible crushes, cuts, and explosions that could happen. We also want to be careful with spills or any leakage. Try to not get it messy everywhere. Before loading up the compactor, it's important to filter out items that are potentially dangerous, such as aerosol cans, pressurized items, glass, or troublesome items such as food scraps, liquids.
Jeff, what's the big deal with garbage compacting?
Well, whether it be commercial cargo ships with 20 crew or YWAMs with 150 to passenger ships with 2,000 crew, a lot of garbage are made each day and it could be weeks before there's a next available port to offload them. Compacting makes storing more efficient and easier to manage. Now let's take a look at operating our compactor. There's really only 4 controls: the lever, emergency stop, foot lever, and foot button. Foot lever is perhaps the most important part. When the foot lever front is down, it's considered unlocked. Pressing the hydraulic lever now will start lifting the cylinder so that we can exchange plastic bags. When the foot lever front is up, it's considered locked. Pressing the hydraulic lever now instead will start compacting. Lock, unlocked, locked, unlocked. Make sure to remember its position before activating. Pressing the hydraulic lever now, when it's locked, it compacts, and when it's unlocked, it lifts the cylinder up. Foot button's only use is just to lower the cylinder when it's up. In an emergency, pressing the emergency stop red button will stop all operations. Now let's run it down once, starting from the top. First, check the surrounding that it's safe. Make sure the hydraulic lever is in its neutral position. Power on. Unlock the foot lever. Press the hydraulic lever to lift the cylinder so you can put the plastic bag on. Once it's on, stepping on the foot button to lower it. Then lock it back in place. Now you are ready to fill up the compactor. Careful to fill up to 3/4, and once filled up to 3/4, slide the lid and the handlebar. Make sure the handlebar is clipped down properly and you are ready to compact. Since the foot lever is in locked position, pressing on the hydraulic lever now will lower the piston.
One eternity later.
When the compressed garbage is at 3/4 mark, repeat the first procedure of lifting the cylinder up so that you can take the full garbage bag out and zip tie it. Now store it nicely inside the garbage locker. Replace a new garbage bag and continue compacting. After you're done for the day, the compactor should be left down. Wipe away any dirt or spills that may have happened. Keep your working space clean. Now, of course, watching this video is not enough to get you competent for any compactor, as with joining any ship. You'll need to make sure to read the manuals and also learn and work together with competent seniors before operating any new machineries.
Ah, stop! Ooh! Make it fall out. Is that alright?
Too hard though. Oh! Let's talk about garbage compacting. What are we doing?
What? Ah!
Okay, that's good. Oh no! That was the last one.
That was the last one!
The last one?
More is coming, and I'll also be making life at sea and also documenting my life on board. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next episode.